Mula sa unang album ng The Company noong 1991, kasama na nila sa trabaho ang magkapatid na songwriters Edith and Margot Gallardo.
Na kasama natin ngayon. Nadala ang inyong mga paboritong food.
Ano? Hoy, nandito kayo ba? Oh my gosh! Ito po, Janice.
Para ka po ay malo sa pinakago.
Mga partner, ito po, just to explain, Janice and Jelly. Ito po, itong mga bribe namin kasi yung mga recording sessions po namin matagal, 5 hours isang kanta. Ito yung bribe niya, tsokolate, nachos. But there is still an attempt to eat healthy, so we have salad. Of course, coffee. You know that's si Ariel, no? Yung kape always when recording. So,
Tabasco.
The coffee is for sweet kasi coffee girl yan eh. And then the sticks, vegetable sticks, kay Ani. Oh, favorite niya.
Bakit
The
Tabasco?
chips for
Junk food
Cecil.
for us.
Nakakatulong ba yan?
Ito Tabasco laging meron yan sa...
Ganda ba ng boses?
Bawal. Pumunta siya, meron yan. Tingnan yung bag,
Dapat lahat meron. Pati sa baw may ganito.
Bakit pati bag mo meron yan?
May nagbigay sa akin nun halos mga pang-isa
Ako, nirigalo ko
Para
siya
just in
tabas.
case, pag pumunta ka sa isang lugar
Yes.
na walang
I want it
Tabasco, meron
spicy.
siya.
Everything spicy.
Oh my
I
God.
want to thank the two of you and everybody here and Direct. Thank you. I mean, you're here. The reason why we've lasted this long is a lot of hard work. Of course, the good Lord willed it. And of course, if you align yourself with excellence like these two sisters, there's no way we can lose. Margot and Edith have been churning out hits since the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. And now with the success of Isa, Company, and Pops, they're still at it. We're very blessed to have them in our lives.
Oo, tsaka kung wala kayo, wala kaming team song!
Kami po yung kumanta.
Pinagwanan sila ng The Company.
Sa dalawang magkapatid.
Oy, bakit pa fun? Why is it fun to work with The Company for Edith and Margot?
Well, it's fun kasi hindi mo kang trabaho. By the way, Moy, the Doritos is for you. And the Chocnut and the Mallows.
Kahit pa English-English yan.
English.
Chocomalos.
Kahit siya,
Baon niya sa Europe.
aalis yan, papuntang Europe, ang baon. Eto.
Oo naman, ako.
Hindi kasi walang problema working with them. They're all professional talaga.
What gives you the inspiration for your songs? Because halos lahat ng kanta nyo,
Hits.
She said she likes her song.
Thank you very
all your
much.
songs.
Siguro kayong lahat. When I look at you, I can already think of a song. Yun, ganun siguro. Di ba, Moy?
Life itself, the lives of your friends, the life of your family, the lives of your loved ones, you draw your art from real life.
Siya nung Monday, Baby Rose nung Tuesday, Baby Ikibu nung Wednesday, at si Baby Seth yesterday. At ngayong Friday, isa sa kanila ang ating weekly winner ng Ang Cute Mo, Baby Ko. And she is our Monday baby, Trisha Keith Marie D.C. Ibarra of San Vicente, Tarlac. She was born on December 20, 2000. At dahil ang cute mo baby ni Daddy Jose and Mommy Melanie, you just won 2,000 pesos cash. You can claim your prize every Monday at the SIS office, 8th floor GMA Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Look for Louie.